Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. Alright, so basically we've got two different ways to check this number. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings. Of course I'll show you both and maybe let's start with the settings. This way will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget it. So you will still be able to check it on the settings. So let's enter them, tap on About Phone, and here we have to tap on Detailed Info and Specs. Now let's scroll down to the status and here we have to tap on Model. And as you can see, the serial number will appear right here. As I said, there is also a second way, much quicker way to check it by using a secret code. So we have to open the dialer and the code is *06#. And as you can see, we can check the serial number of this device also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.